Is your office still using a paper register for gate pass? There is a better way. This is a gate pass system I built using Google Tools. When an employee wants to go out, they fill a form. The data comes directly into the Google Sheet. No paper, no manual. The employee opens this Google form. They enter their name, ID, department, out time, return time, and reason for going out. Then they click submit. That's all they have to do. The form data is now in the sheet automatically. The manager opens the sheet and see the request. They click this drop down, approved, pending or rejected. One click, done. As soon as the manager selects the status, the employee gets an email automatically. This whole system runs on Google Forms, Google Sheets and App Script. Free, simple, automatic.